to find you now that you're here. I can remind.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is Fix Haven. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. Welcome back to another styling video here on the channel. I know y'all been missing me and wanting some hair videos, so let's get into it. In today's video, we are going to be turning our freshly retwisted locks into some boho locks. So we'll be adding curls. I am using this Easy brand curl. It's a deep wave curl pattern. I really like it. I already opened the pack, but this way you can see the texture anyway. I love the pattern, and I did do a couple in the back just to see if I'm liking what is going on, and I like it, so I can't wait to share with y'all how I'm gonna get this done.
Being a lock girly, I always itch to find ways to show the versatility of my hair. I get a lot of inspo from the past styles I wore before I had locks to all of the styles that are being showcased around me daily. For this style, I'm taking one of the pre-section crochet hair pieces and breaking that down into smaller pieces, 3 to 4 of them depending on the size of the pre-section piece. As I mentioned before, I'm starting on freshly retwist locks, and I'll be using a basic crochet needle from the beauty supply store. I bring the needle through the top part of my lock, and then I take the hair and add it to the hook and close the latch. Pulling the needle with the hair attached through my hair, I am then unlatching it and bringing the longer strands through the loop that is created by the crochet hair. Then I twist the loop and bring only one side of the crochet hair through the loop to secure the hair in place. Here's another view to look at the steps that I took to achieve this boho look.
Status Bill Harbor, a ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, told the cutter, I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock, then going as Jordan as.
At the top, I added hair where I felt it was necessary to create the most natural looking banging side part thing that I had going on for my retwist.
Shit, I'm floating, I'm hot in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they going for that bap up a smash. Real nigga alert up, clearing the bag. Piping a bitch, and then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't moving past. Trapping no rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on your bitches, I told her to call off. Action, I'm making her quit. Painkiller, got my little demons on gold. They ready to hit with the stick. Painkillers, got my little.
Overall, I had a lot of fun creating this style, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on how it looks, and I'm so excited I get to share this with you.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'll get an overview tomorrow. And that's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're going to try this style down below in the comments. And